Here's how to manage groups in your Keystone SmartLoop Bluetooth mesh system. Improve the function of your space by grouping lights together. Navigate to the region you are looking to modify, confirm you are connected to the right region, then select the Groups pane. To create a new group, press the plus button and enter a name for the group, then press OK. To help identify the lights you want to group, you can tap the light icon to toggle the power of the light you wish to add. Then check the lights you want added to the group and press Save. You will then be prompted to select the linkage level, which will determine the room's linkage brightness. If a fixture's sensor detects motion, linkage allows the other fixtures in the group to respond at different light levels. For example, in a warehouse, if the first fixture detects motion, it will turn on to its set level at 100%. Then the next fixture will turn on to its linkage level, allowing visibility while maximizing energy savings. When the next fixture detects motion, it will then adjust to its auto set level at 100%. Once you've selected a level, press Save Linkage Brightness. The dimming button will open the dimming page for the group. Here you can set your desired light level for all lights in that group. This will become your auto on level. Adjustments and settings applied here and on the sensor page apply to all members of the group. This allows the user to adjust the settings and states for many lights at once. You can also change the lights you have assigned to any group you've created. To edit the lights in a group, go to the Groups pane and press the Members button. Tapping on a light will toggle the light's power so you can determine the lights you want to add or remove in the group. Press the check mark to add or remove lights from the group, then press Save to confirm. Groups in auto mode use sensors to detect daylight and motion to change light levels. Turning auto mode off disables sensors until the auto button is pressed on the keypad. You can rename your groups at any time. To rename a group, press the blue name button for a given group and then hit OK when finished. To delete a group, press and slide left anywhere on a given group. This will reveal the Delete button. To continue learning about SmartLoop, click on the Creating Scenes video or go to KeystoneTech.com for more information. That's Keystone. Light made easy.